Hello student, in this video we will discuss methods of preparation of alcohols. This topic is a very most important for your board exam as well as for your competitive exam like JEE, NEET and GUJCAT. Let's start with the first one, that to prepare alcohol from haloalkane. Here haloalkane means RX that react with hydroxide like potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide, or it's react with moisture silver oxide means AgOH, then simply it form alcohol. This reaction is a take place at a high temperature. Let's take one example. CH3CH2Br bromoethane react with potassium hydroxide means KOH at a high temperature, then it's converting into ethanol. Here simple remember, K from potassium hydroxide and Br from bromoethane react together, they form KBr, and OH react with ethyl group to form ethanol. One more reaction is there, that iodomethane CH3I heated with moisture silver oxide, that is AgOH. Then Ag and I react together, then they form silver iodide, and OH is combined with CH3, hence it form methanol. Now second type, that is to prepare alcohol from alkene. Here two subtype are there, we will discuss one by one. First one, acid catalyzed hydration. Acid catalyzed hydration means addition of water, and acid catalyzed means in presence of H plus. Here acid catalyzed hydration means addition of water molecule in the presence of H plus ion. Whenever alkene upon hydrolysis, then it form alcohol. Here this reaction is a take place according to Markovnikov rule. Let's take an example. Prop 1 in upon hydrolysis means react with water in presence of H plus, then it form propane 2-ol. Here H2O that contain H plus ion and OH minus ion, in which according to Markovnikov rule, negative part of a water means OH minus is attached with ethylenic carbon that having less number of hydrogen, means OH minus is attached with CH group while hydrogen is attached with CH2 group, hence it form propane 2-ol. Remember this thing, acid catalyzed hydration reaction is always follow Markovnikov rule, and Markovnikov rule says negative part of a reagent that goes on a ethylenic carbon having less number of hydrogen, while positive part that goes on a carbon that having a more number of hydrogen. Now we will discuss mechanism of acid catalyzed hydration. Whole this mechanism is to take place in a three step. In a first step, formation of carbocation is take place. In a second step, formation of protonated alcohol is take place, and the third step, that is deprotonation. Let's discuss one by one. Step 1. Here first of all, H plus ion that react with water, or we can say that water is a react with H plus ion of acid, and its form hydronium ion. Now this hydronium ion is a react with alkene, in which hydrogen of hydronium ion is combined with any carbon and water molecule is eliminated, and it form carbocation. Now second step, that is formation of protonated alcohol. In this reaction, whatever the carbocation that generate from first step that react with water molecule. Here carbocation means carbon which contain positive charge. Whenever carbocation react with water molecule, then it form protonated alcohol. Now third step, deprotonation. Deprotonation tends to removal of H plus ion. Here hydrogen is removed from protonated alcohol and that combine with water molecule, so that it's converting into H3O plus ion, and we get alcohol. Now second subtype is hydroboration oxidation. First of all, this reaction is followed anti-Markovnikov rule, in which it is take place in presence of diborane, that is B2H6. Here B2H6 is converting into two molecule of BH3, two molecule of BH3. Now probe 1 in is a react with borane, means BH3, that we separated H dash BH2, means H bond BH2. Here according to anti-Markovnikov rule, borane containing part that goes on ethylenic carbon having more number of hydrogen, and hydrogen that goes on ethylenic carbon having less number of hydrogen, means BH2 is attached with terminal carbon and hydrogen is attached with the near carbon or second carbon. So we get CH3, CH2, CH2, BH2. Now once again another propene molecule is added. Remember one thing, in this reaction valency of boron is a 3, hence we are adding 3 times propene molecule. Now in a second type or second step, once again alkene molecule, that is CH3CH double bond CH2 molecule is added to the first compound. So once again BH of BH2 is attached with CH2 group, while hydrogen is attached with the CH group. So we get CH3 CH2 CH2 two times and BH. Further propene is added to the second compound, so that we get CH3 CH2 CH2 three times boron. And on further hydrolysis in the presence of H2O2, we get propane 1 all and boric acid, means H3BO3. Now third type, to prepare alcohol from carbonyl compound. Here carbonyl compound means the compound, or we can say any compound which contain C double bond O functional group. Simple, remember this reaction is a take place reducing agent like lithium aluminium hydride, means LiAlH4, sodium borohydride, means NaBH4, or any metals like platinum, palladium, nickel, or in presence of ethanol, or in presence of diborane, means B2H6. These are the reducing agent. We have to remember this thing is MCQ also, that which of the following is an example of reducing agent. Then few reducing agent that we have: LiAlH4, NaBH4, any metal like platinum, palladium, nickel, sodium ethanol, C2H5OH, and diborane. Here remember aldehyde means it contains CHO group, that CHO group is converting into CH2OH, means aldehyde is give primary alcohol, and we just remember instead of CHO we are putting CH2OH. Once again, instead of CHO, that to put CH2OH. If you are talking about ketone, then itself it contains C double bond O, so that instead of C double bond O we have to put CHOH. Instead of C double bond O we just write down CHOH. Here ketone is converting into secondary alcohol. If we are talking about acid, then RCOOH, in which acid is converting into primary alcohol. Here instead of COOH we just write down CH2OH. Once again, instead of COOH we just write down CH2OH, means acid is also converting into primary alcohol. And the last one, that is ester, COOR. Here remember, here only ester is the compound that form two types of alcohol. In COOR, two parts is there, COO, and the second part is R. So instead of COO, once again, instead of COO, write down CH2OH, means it's converting into primary alcohol, and the remaining part, that is R, that combined with OH, or we can say we are adding OH with R, so we get ROH, hence it become primary alcohol. Aldehyde, acid and ester. Aldehyde, acid and ester, they form primary alcohol, while only ketone is there that form secondary alcohol. And all this reaction is a take place in presence of a reducing agent, and all this reaction is a reduction reaction, so we are adding hydrogen, or we can say H2 molecule in all the reaction. Let's take few example. First one, ethanol undergoes reduction reaction in presence of platinum, then it forms ethanol. Here, as I said, remember the trick. Instead of CHO, you just put it out CH2OH. If you are talking about second reaction, benzaldehyde, that react in presence of LiAlH4 reducing agent, then it's converting into benzyl alcohol. Once again, this is reaction of aldehyde group, in which instead of CHO group we have to put CH2OH. Now third reaction, CH3 C double bond O CH3, acetone or propane 2 on, that react in presence of nickel or platinum catalyst, then it forms CH3CHOH CH3. Here ketone group is there, hence ketone is converting into secondary alcohol, so we just put CHOH instead of C double bond O. Once again, instead of C double bond O of a ketone, that is replaced by CHOH, and it's converting into secondary alcohol. Fourth reaction, ethanoic acid undergoes reduction reaction in presence of LiAlH4 followed by H3O plus, then it's converting into ethanol. Here, instead of C double OH, we are just putting CH2OH. Fifth reaction, benzoic acid, means benzene ring which contain C double OH. Here, reaction is a take place in presence of reducing agent like LiAlH4 or B2H6 followed by H3O plus, or we can say followed by acidic hydration, then it's converting into benzyl alcohol. Here once again, instead of C double OH group, you just put out CH2OH. Sixth reaction, it is a reaction of ester compound CH3 C double O CH3, means methyl ethanoate or methyl acetate undergoes reduction reaction in the presence of reducing agent like LiAlH4 followed by acidic hydration. Here, first remember, ester is the only compound that give two types of alcohol under reduction reaction. First of all, we just break the compound from C double O group and the remaining portion, and instead of C double O we have to put CH2OH. So the first product that we get is CH3 CH2OH. Once again, instead of C double O you just put CH2OH, and the remaining portions, that means methyl, that combine with OH, hence it form CH3OH, means methanol. Last reaction, methyl benzoate, means benzene ring which contain COOCH3, undergoes reduction reaction, then it forms benzyl alcohol and methanol. Here first, to break the compound from COO group and the remaining portion, instead of COO you just write down CH2OH and remaining portion that combine with OH, so we get benzyl alcohol and methanol. Thank you all.